Web3 TV.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another interview at the GITEX Global Dubai 2025. I'm Adele. Today we have Corentin with us from SiPearl.
Hello.
How are you doing today?
I'm good, and you?
I'm good, thank you. Tell us a bit about your company. What is it all about?
SiPearl is a French company founded by the European Union to build CPU, sovereign CPU, for HPC, high performance computing, and also data center.
Fantastic. So you're helping with the internet as well as you're helping people use your services to generate value.
Yeah, of course. In AI, in France, in the data center infrastructure, the CPU is really helping this.
And it helps with innovation as well.
Yeah,
So tell us, what is the compute is the most demanding trend right now? Because if you run out of compute, then you run out of the ability to provide, basically.
The compute is the core of AI, which is everything at the moment.
Right.
So we need to have more compute.
Yeah.
We need to have more efficient compute, more energy, less energy consuming.
Right.
And this is all what we are going to do with our new chip.
And using this, so you are an IT company and you sell this. Who are your clients who buy this from you?
Our client is an aggregator, which is the builder of the data center, the server which is in the data center. So we have like Atos Eviden, which is an aggregator, or we can also use the HP. So this is not the end-to-end customer, but currently our customer is an aggregator.
Amazing. Great. Amazing. So for 2026 into the next future, are there any exciting things you can share about what you're building? Any innovations?
Yeah, our first major product, Rea 1, we did the tape out last year, and we are waiting for the first prototype, which are built and manufactured in TSMC Taiwan. We are waiting the first prototype in 2026, and it should be on the market the next year. So
Very exciting.
exciting to present our first product to the market.
Very exciting stuff. All the best. All the best and success to your company and yourself. Thank you for your time.
Thank you.
All right, guys, that's a wrap. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you found this insightful. We'll leave all the links in the description so you can check out SiPearl on the website. Thank you again. I'm Adele, the host, and I will see you next time. Cheers.
Web3 TV.